This how you do a roller set on your synthetic lace wig. Let's go.
Let's go, sis.
Okay, place your roller at the base near the part so you can measure the length of your section.
Why you ain't start from the back?
Starting from the back give it a more of a bricklayer effect. But in this case, I want to start from the front because I want a blowout look and I want a more uniform look.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
Okay, so I just measured the width of my section by standing the roller up on top of the wig and then put a part on the side. All right, you're going to put water on it and you're going to put some Nairobi foam on it.
I don't use Nairobi, but whatever.
Comb it down so you can get it nice and saturated. Use some more foam if you have to, especially on the end, so it can tug on the roller nice and smooth. Like how you see right here, you're going to roll it up. You're going to tuck the end and then roll it all the way up. Smooth it down a little bit just to get it nice and locked in place. And then you're going to take your pin and put it at the base. Make sure you don't poke a hole in your lace because that's not going to be nice.
It sure ain't because I don't want my lace to look like pantyhose running.
Okay, check it. Make sure you over direct your roller as you're rolling it at a 45-degree angle to give it a lot of body.
Body, yada, yada, yada. Okay, I like a lot of body now.
Okay, girl who don't like a lot of body. Just make sure you measure it so it can be nice and even, and make sure you over direct it for more body and under direct it for less body. Like right here, as you're seeing in the back, I'm going to under direct the roller because I don't want my top to look too high. So that's why I'm going to under direct, combing down in the 45-degree angle so it can look just like how I want it.
Okay, I see what you're saying, but you know I ain't no hairstylist, so you need to give me a tip or something.
Okay, I'm going to give you a tip. As it gets slippery and the more your product you put on it, when you roll it, make sure you keep rolling it down as you roll it up to lock it in place. All right?
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, when you put your clips on it, you can double your clips and then connect 2 rollers on 1 clip to give it more security.
Okay, tell me something now, because I can't have my rollers coming out while I'm trying to dry 'em.
Oh, girl, don't worry. I got you. All right, so this is the back. I'm going to turn it around so you can see the front. This is all the rollers I put in the wig. All right, so now it's all dried. And now I'm going to take the net off that I had on it when I steamed it after I air dried it. All right, so now I'm going to take the rollers out.
Hold on, what you mean you steamed it? Like some vegetables?
Something like that. But instead of me dipping it in hot water to avoid, all that hot mess and to avoid from flat ironing it, I steamed it. And I have a reel on that on how to steam your synthetic wigs. So if you go on my page, check that out. I appreciate you. And you can learn how to do that after this video.
Oh, okay. I'm definitely going to check that video out. I got to go see what you're talking about.
All right. So as I'm taking the rollers out, I'm starting from the back. Okay. I'm starting from the back because I don't want the top to be too tangly, or I don't want to mess the top up. And I don't want to take a chance because the top is more important in this situation. All right, so as you take the pins out, make sure you be very careful because you don't want to snug on to the hair, or you don't want to snug on to the lace because you don't want it to rip. All right, so now the back is taken out. The sides, I'm taking the sides out. All right, and I'm taking my time because I do not want to ruin the front. The front is the first thing people are going to see. Okay, so it got to be on point. All right, look at those curls. Ooh, they look good.
Oh, yeah, them curls look bouncy.
I can't wait to take the other 2 out so I can see the finished look. Then after that, I'm going to comb it out. Well, I'm going to finger comb it, and then comb it out with the wide tooth comb, and then brush it out so we can get that body that I've been wanting. All right, so that's how I look. All the rollers are out. And follow me for more if you want black DIY hair tips. Thanks for watching.
And I am. Thank you, girl.